Hey art friends, today we're going to draw another princess. Which one are we drawing this time?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. You got your marker?
Yes.
We hope you got a marker or something to draw with and you're going to follow along with us. They need some paper too.
Yes.
And something to color with at the very end so that we can color our drawings. It'll look a lot better once we color them.
Yeah.
You ready to start?
Yes.
We're first going to start by drawing Cinderella's mouth right in the middle of our paper. We're going to first draw a smile. Yeah, that's a good spot. Then we're going to draw another smile underneath, a U shape for the bottom of her mouth so that her mouth is open. Then let's draw an upside down U inside for her tongue. And then we can color in the top part, but leave the bottom white. Good job. You almost did it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now let's draw her eyes. We're going to draw two circles, one on each side of her mouth. So there's one circle. We're going to draw another circle over here on the other side. Perfect. Yeah, no, it's cute. We're drawing her kawaii style, which is really big eyes and a cute mouth. Okay, now we're going to draw another circle in the top right, and it's smaller than the first one we drew. Now we're going to draw another one over here, and this is for the highlight so that her eyes look shiny. Now let's color in the big circle, but leave these little circles white. What do we always draw next on our eyes?
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes. I'm going to draw two little eyelashes. You could draw more since I know you like adding as many as possible.
Rule number one.
Or at least three.
Always add eyelashes.
Always add eyelashes.
Always.
Always. Perfect. Now let's draw the bottom of her head. We're going to draw a U shape that starts over here on the left side, curves under her head, and then comes back up over here on the other side. Yeah, perfect. Now let's draw the top of her head. This is going to turn her into a gumdrop. We're going to we're drawing a big rainbow line that connects the left side over to the right side. Yes, perfect. Now let's draw her ears. We're going to draw a C shape over here and a backwards C on this side. And she has to have beautiful earrings, right? We're going to draw a raindrop shape on each ear for the earring. If we ever go too fast, our art friends need more time to finish a step, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now let's draw her hair. We're going to start over here on this side, and we're going to draw an S line that comes down and then curves under or around her right eye. Yes, and then we can add another curve over here that connects up to her hair. Then let's draw her headband. We're going to draw another big upside down U. We're going to start on her ear, come over here, and look at the top. See in the top, in the middle, I got further away, and on the sides, I'm closer together. Yes. I love it. Your little Cinderella is looking beautiful. Now let's draw her bun. We're going to draw it almost looks like a circle, but we're only drawing part of the circle.
Like a C shape.
Yeah, it's sideways C shape. Now on her hair, let's add more detail lines. We're going to draw a curve up here on her bun. I'm going to draw one going this way and one going the other way. This is going to make it look more like hair. Then we can add another smaller one on each side too. Then I'm going to draw another S line that comes down on this side. I'm going to add another one that's even smaller right here. Perfect. Then one more. Yeah, that's a good spot. Good. And then let's add one over here on this side. All right, we did it, Hadley. We finished drawing Cinderella. Well, we still need to draw her body, right? She's just a floating head. Okay, let's draw two lines coming down for her body. This is for the top of her body. So we don't want to draw them too long because we're going to draw her dress underneath this part. Yes. And then connect these two lines with a V. So we're going to go down and back up. Then let's add the top of her dress. So we'll draw a U shape. And then let's draw her neck. She has a really pretty necklace. We can just add a U and then I colored it in. Yeah, and then, yep, color it in. There you go. Okay, now let's draw her arms, her sleeves first. And then we'll draw our arms. We're going to start here. Draw, it's like a sideways or upside down U. She's got puffy sleeves.
I don't know. Puffy sleeves.
And then I did the same thing on the other side. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw our arms. And we're going to just draw simple shapes for her arms, really long U's. So we're going to draw them coming out so she can hold, she's going to be holding her dress out so she doesn't step on her dress. So we're going to draw a really long U, and we could draw that really long U over here on this side too. Good job. All right, now we're going to add her sleeves. I'm just adding a little extra line here. Now we're going to add a line here for her sleeves and then one over here on the side too. Now let's draw the rest of her dress. We're going to start in the middle and we're going to draw a really pretty S line. She's going to hold her dress with each of her hands. We're going to start here in the middle, curve down, back up, and then back down. Is that cool?
Yes.
It's kind of tricky, so you could first draw a U that goes to her arm and then draw a line that curves down. Yeah, you did it. Now let's repeat that same step on the other side. We're going to curve up to her hand and then we'll curve back down. Yes, and then down. And then let's make these lines equal. So this one can come down a little bit farther so it matches the other side. Yeah, I'm going to make mine a little longer too on this side. Now let's draw the details inside of her dress. So we're going to draw the bottom first. We're going to start over here and then we're going to draw a wavy line that comes like this and then over to the other side. So you're going to add a couple bumps and then we want to make sure that we're not connecting on each side. Leave a little gap.
Down, up.
Perfect. Now, right here, let's draw a bunch of U's that are connected. This is the inside of her dress. And we're going to leave this part white. We're going to draw U's that connect all the way over to the other side. Yeah. Okay, now let's add her glass slippers. We're going to draw a sideways U right here. And we'll draw a sideways U going the other direction also. That way her feet look like they're pointing different directions. Now let's finish the bottom of her dress. Right here on this side, I'm going to connect down to her shoe. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Connect the outside to her shoe. And then in between her glass slippers, let's imagine this line going behind her shoes and connecting to the other side. Yeah, all right. Now we're missing a few extra details on her dress. We'll draw a curve right here to connect her waist to her dress. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And then let's add wrinkles also to her dress. I'm going to add a long line and a short line right next to her hand. And we'll draw a long line and short line on the other side. Then we can draw two long lines. Look at this. They're curving out in the middle. And then we can also add one short line in the middle. Yeah. Okay, we're almost done. Let's add two more wrinkles on each side right here. And then also on the other side. We did it. Good job, Hadley. You did awesome on drawing Cinderella. She turned out perfect. Now, we're not completely done, right?
Yes.
We still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color her.
Yeah, we need to color her. She's going to look so much better once we color her. Now, this part, we're going to fast forward. But at the end, you guys can do what?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring. Ready? Fast forward?
Yes.
Yes. Hadley, we did it. We finished coloring our Cinderellas, and yours turned out super beautiful.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Now, we're not completely done with our drawings. We could also add a background, right? What could our art friends draw in the background?
You could draw her in the ballroom.
Oh, yeah, you could draw the whole ballroom. You could even draw other people behind her. What else?
Or you could draw her outside of the castle with her pumpkin carriage.
Oh, that would be really cool. You could draw the castle kind of small off in the distance, and you could draw a carriage. That would be really cool, Hadley. Those are great ideas. Now, you guys can change your drawings any way you want. You can add more details, and it's okay if your drawings look different. In fact, I hope they do look different, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
have fun, use your imagination, and
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.